Seriously, I can't believe they even made this. This is insane. What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm unboxing what probably is one of the most exclusive collaborations of the year. It's also probably the most deep-fried collaboration of the year. I don't know if I've ever said that about a pair of shoes before, but I don't think I'm wrong with this one. So I received an email from a certain brand a couple weeks ago letting me know that something would be coming in the mail. And knowing that they have a specific collaboration coming out, I assumed that that's what this would be. And I'm not 100% sure yet, but I have a pretty good idea. As you can see, this box came pretty much unmarked except for the fragile sticker right there on the front. And that's about it. So let's pop this open and see what we've got. I really should just buy a knife. I should just let people send me a knife because a bunch of people have offered and I've just never gotten back to them, which is my bad. Okay, here we go. Oh man, holy crap, that's nuts. That's insane. I saw it online, but I didn't think it was gonna look like this. Let me put this package down really quickly and read the note first. So the note that accompanies the package comes in this very nice, clean, unmarked black envelope that looks super classy. But let's pull out the note and see what it says. That's ridiculous. Bet you weren't expecting that collab. Howdy. Good way to start a note. You might have seen the Kentucky Fried Chicken Crocs collab that debuted at New York's biggest week in fashion this year. We are proud to present you with the Kentucky Fried Chicken x Crocs Classic Clogs. We couldn't think of many people who deserve a pair more than you. That's awesome. You guys are the best. I appreciate that. Fans can grab their own pair at crocs.com/KFC on July 28th. And for every pair sold, KFC will donate $3 to the KFC Foundation's REACH Educational Grant Program, which helps KFC restaurant employees further their education through college scholarships. That's really cool. I love that. Okay, you can stop reading this card and try them on now. Disclaimer, not for human consumption. Yours, KFC and Crocs. Wow. That's amazing. I love it. Okay, let's see the shoes themselves. Is it weird that I'm getting hungry? Dang, they kind of fell over in the box. They were set up so perfectly when I first opened it. Okay, let me pull out this glass or plastic case from inside the outer box. It's very nicely secured with these foam cubes on the sides. Oh man, this is insane. Look at that. This case is nuts. I'm gonna try and roll these back into position. Well, regardless, this is the box. It comes in this sort of clear plastic, looking very clean. It's also got some nice weight to it. On the top, it says Kentucky Fried Chicken x Crocs right there. And on the back, it says do not eat. I love this. Let's pull off the top. Oh, no way. Yo, this is ridiculous. Did they scent it? They really did. They made this smell like chicken. I'm not even kidding. They literally made this smell. Hold on. Yep, it smells like chicken. It actually smells like chicken. That's ridiculous. Was it the whole shoe or just the jibbit? I think it's just the jibbit. You've got a tag on the right shoe that says do not eat. Cleaning your Kentucky Fried Crocs is, I love that. Kentucky Fried Crocs, that's awesome. Cleaning your Kentucky Fried Crocs is easy. First, remove them from your feet, then hand wash the Crocs with cold water and mild soap. Normally you wouldn't do this with your chicken, but in this instance it's okay. To keep your Kentucky Fried Crocs in good condition, avoid exposing them to heat and fryers, unlike chicken. This is amazing. This is one of the best collabs I've ever seen. You know what's crazy? Something that I've been noticing over the last year or so is that Crocs have kind of been becoming the wave. And it's really crazy to see. You'll see hypebeasts walking around in them. In fact, I actually grabbed the pair right back there that I'm gonna be doing a review on in the next couple weeks. And what was crazy is that was one of the only sizes left. I'm not talking about normies buying Crocs. I'm talking about hypebeasts buying Crocs. People are into Crocs right now. And I mean, we've seen it with the Post Malone collaborations. We've seen it with the Pleasures collaborations, the Murakami. All these Crocs are now going for $400 or $500. It's absolutely insane to see. So I know it's crazy to say, but you might actually be sleeping on Crocs. I definitely suggest trying out a pair for yourself. This is not a Crocs sponsored video. However, they did send out this collaboration for free, but genuinely unsponsored. Crocs might be the new wave. So obviously this Crocs KFC collab is probably one of the most unexpected collaborations of the last few years. I never would have guessed that, first of all, KFC would do a collab with any sneaker company or shoe company. And of all the companies, Crocs, well, actually, that probably makes the most sense out of all the shoe companies, but it's not a collab I expected to happen. So on the top of the Croc, you've actually got KFC chicken printed all over it. And to be real with you guys, the print quality, I know that's not what you guys are probably looking at, but the actual quality of the print is really, really solid. I wonder how they got that on there. I wonder if they hydro dipped it. It wouldn't surprise me because if you look at the side of the Croc, there's actually a little bit of distortion in the image. So when you're hydro dipping something, that can happen when you're pulling it out of the water. That's just how I'm guessing that they got the print on the upper, but regardless, it looks great. As expected, the strap is also covered in KFC chicken. And then at the pivot point of the strap, you've got this black, I guess, plug type thing that says Kentucky Fried Chicken X Crocs. The inside of the shoe is all white, and you've also got these massaging footbed nubs, which actually feel really great against your feet. I'm not even kidding, they really do feel good. I had a pair of the Chinatown Market Crocs, and I wore those for probably about 3 months straight. And I was always really happy with the comfort. Like, I'd slide my feet in, just get that nice sort of foot massage, and then after an hour or two of wearing it, you wouldn't notice it anymore, so it never got to a point where it was uncomfortable. One of the most obvious details on the shoe that I skipped over is this 3D KFC drumstick, which is scented. It's not a joke, it really smells like a drumstick. Not exactly like a drumstick, but it's pretty close. If you're familiar with Crocs, you know that the things that you actually pop into these holes are called jibbets, and so this is legitimately a fried chicken jibbet, and it's fully 3D. It's painted like fried chicken, it smells like fried chicken, and it's sitting on the top of your shoe. So if you're a fried chicken fan, this is like the best shoe you can ever own. Seriously, I can't believe they even made this. This is insane. I know the note said do not eat, but I really needed to pull this off. Here it is, here's the jibbet. Look at that, that's an insane, I mean, that's literally a chicken drumstick on top of my shoe. And I guess for all you people interested in what the shoe looks like without the jibbet, here it is. Moving down on the shoe, you get to this insanely glossy KFC bucket style midsole. Obviously, the inspiration behind this collaboration was a bucket of KFC, and I think they did a great job of actually making it look like you're wearing a bucket of KFC. The midsole comes in red and white, and on the heel of the left shoe, you've got Kentucky Fried Chicken written out, and on the heel of the right shoe, you've got the top of Colonel Sanders' face. I love the way he's just like peeking up out of the back of the shoe. It's ridiculous, but I'm really into it. The bottom of the shoe is pretty much your standard Croc. You've got your size in the middle, and you've got your traction pattern. Of course, it comes in white because I think the base color of this shoe was white. And genuinely, after seeing this in person, not only do I love it because it's ridiculous, but it really is one of the most insane collaborations of 2020. I think this will go down in history as one of the most insane fast food collaborations I think ever. I love this shoe, man. This is insane. And I feel like the drumstick jibbet on the top really takes this shoe to the next level, because if it didn't have that, sure, it'd still be a KFC themed Croc, but with the drumstick on the top, you're really like entering into absurd territory, and that's why I love it. Here, let me see if I can actually get these to stick in the box. There we go, there's one. So here they are, the KFC Crocs in all their chicken smelling glory. These are awesome. These are such an insane collaboration, and I just want to thank Crocs and KFC for sending these. I'm just gonna hold one Croc because every time I seem to pick this box up, something goes wrong. So I'm just gonna put this down. Huge thank you to KFC and Crocs for sending over this insane collaboration. I love what you guys did. I think this is incredible. If anyone watching would like to grab a pair of the Kentucky Fried Crocs, that's awesome. I can't get over how great that name is. They are available on July 28th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on crocs.com/KFC. I get a lot of packages in the mail from brands, but rarely do I get a package that I want to display. And this is one of those packages that is going to be sitting in my office for probably years because of how awesome it is. But now I would love to know your thoughts on the Kentucky Fried Crocs, and also if you feel like Crocs are really making their way into hype sneaker culture, because I know that sounds insane, but I really think it's happening. So let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.